G'day everyone, Tim from the Car Family Farm here again. So today what we're going to be doing is just replanting out this grow bed here. So these leeks are pretty much done. They're taking up space and I want potato and leek soup. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to rip all these guys out. We've not long planted the broccoli so they'll stay. Alrighty, let's get into it. One of our nice little compost worms here, they live in the grow beds and help break down all the roots and organic matter that are in the grow beds, which is really great for the system. Alright, there we go guys, we've got these little fellas all planted in, so we're going to keep the beetroot in here. We love eating the beetroot leaves, are fantastic, and you also get beetroot at the end, which is just a beautiful thing. The poor old silverbird over here, we're going to keep him battling on, he's happy. And this guy here, he is a sprouting cauliflower. I've never seen it before. I spotted it in Bunnings the other day and I reckon it's going to be a good thing. Alrighty guys, so don't forget, as usual, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to head over onto our Facebook page. Have a look around over there. We're Instagram, we're TikTok as well, and our website www.carfamilyfarm.com. That's where our merch is located. Don't forget, have a look over it. Alrighty guys, I think that'll do it for now. Cheers.